Looking for great sound without breaking the bank? The best earbuds under $200 deliver premium audio quality, comfortable fit, and useful features like active noise cancellation and long battery life, all at a price that's easy on your wallet. Whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, these earbuds offer excellent performance and value. Starting at number 1, TAGRY Bluetooth Headphone. The TAGRY Bluetooth Headphones wireless earbuds are true wireless earbuds that deliver up to 60 hours of total playback time with the included charging case, offering about 6 hours per earbud on a single charge plus multiple recharges from the case. They feature a dual LED power display on the case so you can easily see battery levels and support both wireless charging and USB-C charging for convenience. These earbuds use Bluetooth around BT5X for fast and stable wireless connectivity and include touch controls that let you play, pause music, adjust volume, answer calls, and activate voice assistants without touching your phone. Designed with ergonomic lightweight fit and multiple ear tip sizes, they aim for comfortable all-day wear, and the 13mm speaker drivers with CVC noise reduction microphones deliver immersive stereo sound with clear calls. The earbuds are IPX5 waterproof for sweat and light rain resistance, making them suitable for workouts, travel, and daily use. Number 2, Soundcore P30i. The Soundcore P30i by Anker Noise Cancelling Earbuds are wireless Bluetooth 5.4 earbuds that combine strong and smart active noise cancellation. Capable of reducing up to 42 dB of ambient sound with powerful bass from 10mm drivers enhanced by bass-up technology for an immersive audio experience. They deliver long battery life, about 10 hours of listening per charge and up to 45 hours total with the charging case, and a quick 10-minute fast charge gives about 2 hours of playtime. The earbuds also feature transparency mode for ambient awareness, IP54 water and dust resistance, and a unique 2-in-1 charging case that doubles as a phone stand for hands-free viewing. With touch controls, clear voice calls, 4-mic AI, and broad device compatibility, the Soundcore P30i is a versatile option for everyday listening, travel, and workouts. Number 3, JLab JBuds Earbuds. The JLab JBuds Air ANC true wireless Bluetooth earbuds are versatile, feature-rich earbuds that combine active noise cancellation, ANC with smart connectivity, and comfort for everyday listening. They use hybrid ANC with multiple detection microphones to reduce ambient noise and also offer an aware mode that lets in surrounding sound when needed, along with a super low latency movie mode for better audio-video sync and dual connect for using either bud independently. You can choose from 3 custom EQ sound settings, JLab Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost via touch controls to tailor the audio to your preferences. The earbuds support Bluetooth 5.2 with a solid wireless range, are IP55 rated sweat and water resistant, and provide up to 40+ hours of total playtime with the charging case, about 10 hours per earbud and additional charges from the case, with ANC on offering more than 24 hours of use. They also include touch controls, comfortable ear tips, and a protective charging case, making them a well-rounded wireless audio choice for music, calls, and media on the go. Number 4, Beats Studio Buds. The Beats Studio Buds are true wireless noise-canceling earbuds that deliver balanced sound and seamless compatibility with both Apple and Android devices, making them a versatile choice for everyday listening. They feature active noise cancellation, ANC, to help reduce ambient noise, and a transparency mode so you can hear your surroundings when needed. The earbuds use Class 1 Bluetooth for a reliable wireless connection and include a built-in microphone for clear calls and voice assistant use. With an IPX4 sweat and water-resistant rating, they're suitable for workouts and daily use. And they typically offer around up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge. And up to 24 hours total with the charging case. The compact, comfortable design with multiple ear tip sizes makes them easy to wear for long periods, whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing with music or podcasts. Number 5, Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. The Bose Ultra Open Earbuds are innovative Bluetooth open-ear earbuds that deliver rich, immersive sound while keeping your ears open to your surroundings. With their unique clip-on cuff-style design, ideal if you want awareness of the world around you during music, calls, workouts, or commuting. They use Bose's open audio technology to provide surprisingly private audio without inserting anything into the ear canal, and offer up to about 7.5 hours of playtime per charge, around 4+ hours with immersive audio enabled, plus additional charges from the included case, with an impressive standby life of up to 48 hours. The earbuds support Bluetooth multi-point connectivity, so you can switch seamlessly between devices and have an IPX4 water resistance rating for sweat and splash protection, making them comfortable and stable for all-day wear. Their lightweight ergonomic grip means you'll often forget you're wearing them while still enjoying quality audio and convenient button controls for playback and calls.